we got a bit of a toughie on this one, boys and girls. So we gotta hit it over the water about 240 yards, and we're gonna see what we can work with here. See what we can do. Wind's into us, so it's gonna be a bit of a tough shot. Okay, so that didn't get over. It was a bit of a low shot, but considering the wind, that was good for the time being. Okay, guys, not a terrible shot, but not a great shot. At least I didn't go in the bahia, which is like this really tall grass that a lot of people go in. So it's not very fun to go in or try to get out of. But we're gonna hit a little bit of a 60 here, since we have to go over a bit of a rise. And yeah, we'll see what we can do with the putts. Not terrible, honestly, but actually I did not catch it a little thick. That's kind of what I wanted to do. And if you hit it too far, there's a bit of a slope on the back of the green that causes your ball to roll off, which is super friggin' annoying. But we avoided the slope, and we're on the same plane as the flag. Okay, so we've got a bit of a toughie of a putt here. It's downhill, pretty good, and we get the wind blowing into us, and putts downhill left to right. So let's see what we can do here. We have 2 putts to make par, so let's do it. That was a nice little putt there. Left about like 7 or 8 inches for par. Okay, so we made the putt for par, but we're still 1 over through 4, which is not ideal. Bit of a toughie hole here. Go too far left, you're in the water. Too far right, you're in the pine chats, or the shats, as my dad likes to call them. So we gotta hit it pretty good down the middle, 3-wood here, and let's see what we can do. Well, I sure do hope that stays up. I hit it really well, but just a tad too far left. Okay, so that was a pretty good shot. It stayed short of where the water is. The water's over there to the left. I don't know if you can see it. I don't have a tripod with me, so I'm just leaning against my golf bag, so I don't have the best shots of everything. So let's hit it. Measure it with the rangefinder first, of course. And about 177 to the pin. We're gonna add maybe 5 yards for uphill, so about 182, 183-ish, in that general neighborhood. Wind's into us, so we're gonna have to hit it a little bit harder. So I think we're gonna hit a 6-iron, just for gets and shiggles. So was a bit right. Did not draw back because of the wind, but it's okay. We have good position to make par with it. Bit of a toughie putt here. We got two drainage things in front of us. Excuse my voice crack. Those happen. We got a bit of two drainage things in front of us. Just gonna try to putt through them. Hit it a little bit harder because it might bounce on them. Okay, that wasn't too shabby. Hit a little bit of a curve there. Messed up the brake a little bit, but it's fine. Okay. Good par there, ladies and gents. But, you know, trying to make birdie, so we're not there yet, but we're getting there. Okay, hole 6. I had to get a break. I had to get a drink of water from the water fountain over there. Hole 6, par 3. Let's take a look at it with the rangefinder. How about it? .183 to the pin. We're at a little bit just because it's uphill, so like 188-ish. I mean, so we're gonna hit a 6-iron again to the left side of the green because we want to avoid the sand trap on the right side of the green, which I seem to always end up in. Let's see what we can do here. Bit of a low shot, but it rolled onto the green, hit the front lip of the green, and it rolled onto it. Hopefully it stayed on the back part of the green, but we'll see. Okay, so that was a pretty good shot. It did not roll as far as I think it would, so we got a good position in the middle of the green. We got 2 putts for par. Got left to right break and a little bit of left to right wind as well. So we're gonna play it pretty left to right. Let's see. Get in the hole. Wow. Okay, I really wanted that birdie. It did not go in, but it was about 4 centimeters from going in. So that sucks. But ladies and gentlemen, a par is a par. So we take those all day.